This is going big. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all are doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 are about to release, and we started getting marketing images of both Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4. And yes, this is going to be a big update from last year's Z Fold 3, and that is because Samsung is changing the display on Z Fold 4. If you guys are thinking of not getting Z Fold 4 because it is more like a Z Fold 3, then you guys might be wrong. Samsung is going to unpack Z Fold 4 tomorrow along with Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds, and will start pre-orders tomorrow on August 10th. And you guys will get a free credit if you pre-orders either of these devices. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Are you guys willing to update from Z Fold 3 to Z Fold 4? And what are your thoughts on Z Fold 4 new big changes? Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will get a significant update over its display, as iCinema shared an image of both Z Fold 3 and Z Fold 4 side by side, and we see a clear difference in aspect ratio, and Z Fold 4 is a bit smaller compared to the Z Fold 3. And he also said a bit offensive words for the people who say there is no difference, because there is a clear difference between Z Fold 3 and Z Fold 4. As I already shared a user experience in my previous video of a user who owns Z Fold 3 and hands-on Z Fold 4, where he says there's a big difference between two devices. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be capable of recording 8K videos at 24 frames per second, and there will be 3 lenses on the back. And according to marketing images we just received, Z Fold 4 will come with 50 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom. And the outer display resolution on the Z Fold 4 is a bit higher than the Z Fold 3, where we get 2316 x 904 with 402 ppi. And after looking at the promotional pictures of Z Fold 4, we see no visible crease. Obviously this is for marketing purposes, but Samsung did achieve less visible crease with the new single hinge design that we are about to see on the Z Fold 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 will be the first foldable phones to have associated NFT as a pre-orders bonus, but sad to hear it is only exclusive to Korea. A bad news for both Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 is there are 2 phones that are coming after Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 right after a day. And Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 looks promising and looks as one of the most slimmest foldable phones in the market. And Motorola Razr 3 is also going out on August 11th this year. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Are you guys willing to update from Z Fold 3 to Z Fold 4? And what are your thoughts on Z Fold 4 new big changes? And I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.